friends, I'm opening a Lamborghini car remote control, means Ferrari. It looks like this. Now open it. One second, it is from Amazon and the price is 600. It is very fast. It is a very big drift car. Okay, see both of them. These both are Ferraris. This is the pushback. This is remote control. Let's keep the pushback here. On it. There's a button. I on it from here. See the ahead button. The ahead button. See? This is the heading button. This is back. This is side. This is that side. See, it's very fast. Now let's try something cool. First, let's take out this background. It's not working, it's too heavy. Let's try to do this. Let's push this dinosaur. Oh, it's so strong. I'm rating this 9 out of 10. Okay, let's try something cool. Let's try something cool. Let's see this. See this. You are seeing the wheels. You have seen the wheels. See? See the wheels. See the wheels. Now let's do very dangerous thing. Help me! Help me! Help me! Yay! I did by myself. Bye bye friends. Love you. Comment में बताना कार कैसी लगी और I need 127 lakh subscribers and I need 18 million views.